channel. What's wrong? 3 moms your channel. I have a I have a lot of channel, but the other is Ninja. So the this is my main channel. This is my main channel. Only this, and then LB Mix Vlog is my second account. I try to find. I try to work it out the watch hour. And then the less is my Ninja. Hi Christina from Jenly. Christina, you connect to Jenly. Bakit yung isang phone ko hindi siya hindi siya makatawag dito? Jenly is a new YouTuber. Need more bananas. Jen. Yeah. I will drop your link here and then we will pin your channel so that everyone can find your channel here. Please connect to Jenly, guys. You're welcome, Jenly. So that anyone can visit your channel, you must upload more videos. Yeah, this is my Ninja. So my channel support for supporting only. It's still dry out of the rain. Here is still raining, but not big rain, just like showering. Upload videos YouTube, okay? Yes. You upload more videos. Even you starting to short videos like you're uploading shorts. It's okay. And then you can upload also if you're driving and then you go anywhere, you can upload like that videos. Yes, we need to help each other, gently make short videos. Yes, you must upload short videos. You can upload 4 seconds until 16 seconds is okay. You can upload more short videos, because if you have short videos and then become trending, a lot of subscribers you get from them. They are also legit. Yes, everyone can help so that all of us is growing up together. Nakaye, shout out. Oh, di kita niya yan si Jenly. You connect to Jenly, guys. I meet him in the LB Mix Vlog Live. Kindly connect me back also, Miss Jenly. Yes, Jenly. All of leaving a comment to your videos, you can visit their channel also, so that everyone is happy. So that everyone is happy. Oh no, the rain is become big. Everyone is happy.